You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names from Russian and the history of astronauts, cosmonauts, stay tuned. So Russian, and then how it's pronounced in English. The Russian pronunciation, Yuri, that's easy. Yuri Gagarin, that's quite easy, right? Yuri Gagarin. Now in English the pronunciation is very similar, just you don't roll the R's like the Russian do. You just say Yuri Gagarin with a stress on the second G syllable. Yuri Gagarin, English pronunciation, or Russian pronunciation, Yuri Gagarin. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.